Okay, we're back, and I just had I have the photo paper that you can run through the computer because it's a lot of writing, so it's kind of hard to fit on there. Or you can just pipe really small with it, like tip number 1 or even smaller. How does one become a butterfly? And then she wanted, you must want to fly so much that you're willing to give up being a caterpillar. So I thought to get the wording in there, I'd just do it a little book, almost like it's a little nursery rhyme book or something sitting off to the side. So I need to cut both of these out, hopefully so they're close in size. Alright, so let me just set those off to the side. First I need the back part of the book, so I'm going to do it in the lavender. Then I need some white for the pages. Okay, so a little cornstarch down here. Roll this out, but you want to keep this fairly thick. Okay, and it has to be able to fit this, which is just about there. So what I want to do now is I want to place the rolling pin and I want to push down in the center. Okay, and then out here I want to push down, roll down. So I want it to create the pages, you know, going like this. So I push down here and then down here and down here. Kind of roll those pages down. Then I can go ahead and cut. Okay, they still fit. Take this, a little bit of water, place that on top, then cut around it. Okay, so that's the back part of the book. I'm just going to use the wire, make some little lines for the pages on the sides. And then you want to draw some lines in here also. You can use whatever you have, see? This, you could use toothpick. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of this buttercream and place it on top. You can use buttercream or you can use piping gel to attach this photo paper. Peel it off. And then I'm going to cut this rest of this top part off. Straighten it out a little. Okay. I'll pick it up, kind of loosen it with my spatula. Pick it up and then figure out where it's going to go. Okay, if this is the front, it should go like right about here, so this is going to be in the way. So let me move that out, and I'll go ahead and I'll pop this right up like so. Kind of push that middle part in a little. And then let's go ahead and take the butterfly back. A little buttercream behind it. Like right here on the book, that'll be really cute. And voila, there it is.